Y'all be thinking that being a content creator is all glitz and glamour, especially when you just starting out or you trying to grow. It ain't like that. It's not like that at all. Hey y'all, I'm James Eddie. You can just call me Jamie over here. I do lifestyle and travel content, so if that's your cup of tea, you know what to do. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and join the community. And for my returning subbies, what's up, my babies? What's up? Now let's get into this video. So I want to drop some gems on y'all, what it's like being a small-time content creator on this platform. I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all the highs of being on this platform. I'm gonna go ahead and give you the lows of what being on this platform. So I'm just letting you know it ain't all cracked up. It ain't all glitz and glamour that y'all thinking. It's a process, but I'm gonna take y'all through it and give y'all my take on what it's like being a small-time content creator. When I say it is hard to grow on this platform, it's hard, especially being a small-time content creator, because you're basically starting from scratch, basically is what I want to say. And I had my YouTube channel since 2012, but like I said, I didn't start posting consistently on my channel until back in 2020. And I think I did that for like a whole year, and I just started back this year posting again and getting more consistent. But back in 2020 when I first posted, I think my first video got like 100 and something views, and that was because I was talking about, I came on this platform, but I did a little research because I didn't know what my first video was going to be. So I did a little research, and it was COVID at the time. So I did a little research. What can I do to stand out? What can I talk about? And my first video was tips for moms during COVID or something like that. So that was my first video back then. And my first video got 100 or something views, and I posted videos and they would get in the hundreds, sometimes 300s, sometimes less than 100. And what I want to say is slow growth is better than no growth. So you might get, if you use multi-content, you get like 50 views. That's okay. You might think that nobody's watching your content, but like say somebody always watching. And it's really hard to, as a small-time content creator, really to build an audience. It really is. Especially when the algorithm favors larger people. And it took those people some time to build that audience. Some people might have got it in a week, 90 days. It might have took them a year, but it's like algorithm favors larger creators and pushes smaller creators out to the side. You get what I'm saying? And it's really hard to really build an audience when you're still trying to figure out what niche you want to do, niching down, who's your target audience. Growing on this platform is not easy. And being that I did come back this year and posted my videos, and I'm going and posting consistently and monetize, it's still a struggle. It's still hard to grow. I want to say it took me 4 years to get monetized, because it's a simple fact. I started out, when I first started out, I posted for the first year, stopped posting because I went through some things, and I posted a video in 2023, one video in 2023, stopped, started back posting this year, and I just got monetized in August of this year. So the struggle is real. So I'm telling you, it took me 4 years to get monetized. And that's because I just got back this year being consistent. And I had help to tell me, okay, you need to do it. It's not easy. Especially if you just getting on this platform and you focusing on certain things. No, it's hard to grow on YouTube. Especially when people got when they click on your video and they see that you're a small creator and you don't have that many views compared to their favorite creators who, as soon as they come to the notifications, they click off your video and click on their video to watch their video. And they get millions and hundreds of thousands of views compared to your little measly 100 views or less. You don't know how discouraging that is. It's really discouraging to be like, you post a video and you be like, oh, I did what I was supposed to do. I did my SEO, I did my keywords, and you post that video and that video a flop. That video a flop. But let your big time creators come out here and they post a video and they getting hundreds of thousands of views, and I'm like, we got almost like the same title. We posting the same type of content. So why is that person getting views and I'm not getting no views? That's because they've been on here. They done found who they niche, they found their target audience. They done found the people that is gonna rock with them. They done built a community. Compared to you, you might not have really built a community like that, or you're trying to build a community. One thing about it on this platform, community is everything. And if somebody gonna rock with you, they gonna rock with you till the wheels fall off. Remember that. You also got to think about, you're trying to balance content creation with other things you got going on in your life. So if you got a family, if you got a job, you also got to think about things like that. And being a creator, you got to find time to, when you're not doing your main responsibilities, find time to get the content creation in so that you can post your content, because that's the only way you're going to grow on this platform, if you're consistent and posting that content. You get what I'm saying? So that's a struggle right there, all by itself. If you don't have the discipline or the balance to be like, oh, I'm gonna set this certain amount of time to capture this content, vlog this content, then I'm gonna set some time to decide to edit this content, or I'm gonna set some time to decide to script this content and post this content and even film this content, you're not gonna grow on this platform. This will break you on this platform, because in order to grow on this platform, you have to be consistent. That's the main thing. Consistency is key if you want to grow on this platform. And I see that a lot of times when you're a small time creator. How I try to manage the time, I try to make time, do the main things that I have to do, and then set some time when I be like, okay, I gotta film this content right now. I'm doing DoorDash, but I pause the content right now so that I can set some time to the side to be able to film this video for y'all, so I can get this video out and give y'all this information. So I'm just sitting in a little parking lot filming this dang on content to get it out to y'all. But you have to be able to have some organization and prioritize what you want and what you want for yourself. So if you want you want to be a creator, you have to have that balance. Whether you work part-time, you have to have that balance. I started out posting one video a week because I said I didn't have the time to try to balance the post 2 and 3 videos a week to grow quicker. And yeah, some people get monetized of posting 1 video a week, but that could take them longer. You really want to try to post 2 to 3 videos a week, or every day if you can, if you want to see progress to get quicker on this, to grow faster on this platform. You have to find that time and that balance to be able to juggle YouTube and family life and get the content out there at the same time. Now let's talk about investing in your YouTube channel. And you're gonna have to invest in your YouTube channel. I'm gonna tell you this now. You're gonna have to invest in your YouTube channel if you want to get something back in return. And what I mean by that, I don't mean go out there and start off getting no fancy camera and buy no fancy equipment. No, because like I said before, you can film off your phone. Start off filming off your phone. Now, if you don't have a tripod or something like that, or a selfie light or a light, you're going to have to invest in those things. Because who wants to hold their phone all the time? No, you can get a tripod, put your phone on a tripod, and film what you need to film. So that's why I say you're going to have to invest the time and money into your YouTube channel if you want to see the return. Investing in a tripod, investing in a light. Now, you have free apps on this platform to edit your videos. You can either use iMovie if you have an iPhone or a MacBook, or you can use Final Cut Pro is free, or you can use DaVinci. I believe DaVinci Resolve is free as well. But you're gonna have to invest in your platform in order to get something back in return. And every video you want to improve a little bit. Don't go out there trying to buy the expensive gear and pay for no editing software when you don't even know if you're going to do it in the long run. You might do it, say, 1 week or 1 month and be like, oh no, this ain't for me. That's why I say this platform will make or break you. This platform is not for the weak. You got to see if this is really what you want to do. If you want to start buying a camera eventually, I would say use your phone for at least a year, or use your phone until you get monetized, and then invest in a camera, better quality for your videos, invest in a camera, because by that time you'll be like, I'm locked in with this platform, I'm monetized or locked in, so I know this is what I want to do. Don't go out there and try to start off and you don't know this what you want to do. Don't do it, because you, like I said, you might get out there and be like, oh no, this ain't for me. Please don't do it. Sometimes y'all like to start off, and then sometimes y'all like to start off jumping the gun too fast, investing in that equipment. Like I say, investing in fancy equipment, and then you in the end, you don't even know if this is gonna be for you. You don't even know if this is gonna be for you. So don't jump the gun and go off and start, like I say, buying the fancy equipment when you don't know if this is what you really want to do. You need to get on this platform for a couple of months, see if you're gonna rock with this platform. All right. And if you're going to rock with it, then eventually invest in the equipment that you want to invest in. Because if this is not what you want to do, you're going to fail. Like I said, this platform is not for the weak. This platform will make or break you. I also wanted to dealing with low engagement on this platform. And say, not everybody going to rock with you. When you start now, not everybody going to rock with you. And your views, when you first starting out, your views gonna be high. And I would advise anybody on this platform, when you starting out, please don't start out with vlogs, because people don't know you. People don't know you at all. I would advise anybody don't start out with vlogs. If you're going to start out on this platform, I would advise you to start doing your research and see what's trending. And see what's trending after you do your research, and then go off that topic. That will get views to your channel. Because low engagement, low views is very discouraging. And that's a part that will make or break you or not. I get low views. A lot of times I get low views on my channel, and I get high views on my channel. And the low views, I done got to the point now when I see low views, I'm like, okay, it is what it is. Keep it moving. Let me go ahead and move on to the next video. Let me see what I'm gonna post next. Obviously, they ain't rocking with it, but I'm gonna keep on posting because this is what I like to do. You got to see if you're gonna be able to handle that low views, because like I say, low views can be very discouraging. And it'll break you, and it'll tell you it'll let you know if you thick enough to be like, oh, I'm gonna continue to post this content, because they ain't really post the content. And then when your views low, you start to be like, oh dang, you doubting yourself, like, dang, they must be don't like me. Plenty of times I done did that. They must be don't like me. But I got to the point now where it is what it is. I'm gonna post this content anyway. Long as I get this content out, it is what it is. Whether you like me or not, I'm here to stay. And I don't give a damn. I'm here to stay. Whether you like me or not, somebody will somebody will like it. And then you also got to think about, you got to find the joy in your small wins. Let's talk about that. You got to find the joy in your small wins. Whether you just, say if you just starting out and you got less than 100 subscribers, and you post a video and you get like 10 people to view it or 50 people to view it. In my book, that's a win. Because you got 10 people who you probably don't even know to view your video or to subscribe to your channel. You know how much that is a win? How that would make me smile and be like, oh, they rocking with me. They like me over here. They like me. You know how much that would be a win? How happy I would be? Like, you got to be able to post through. If you feel discouraged, if you don't feel motivated, you got to keep on rocking. You got to keep on moving. So you're going to eventually find your audience, and somebody going to rock with you. I'm telling you, they going to rock with you. If nobody else going to rock with you, I'm going to rock with you. You got to think about it like that. But I did want to come on this platform and just let y'all know things like that. But I did want to let y'all, I wanted to come on here and let y'all know that community is everything. Community is everything. That's the takeaway from here. Community is everything. Don't rush. Take your time. Build your community. And a lot of times your community will find you. They'll find you. You ain't got to go out looking for them. They'll find you. You're going to grow. But you got to see if this is what you want to do or not. You're going to make it. You're going to get there, because all it takes is one video. All it takes is just that one video. And you got this. Stay motivated. You got this. It don't matter. I got less than 5,000 subscribers. And I'm still hanging in there. I'm still going to keep on thriving and going through. Regardless if I got low views, they rocking with me, I'ma keep on riding for the people that are subscribed to me. I'ma keep on posting that content. I'm treating my channel like, and we are subject. I'm treating my subbies, my channel like these are my battle buddies in the army, and I gotta protect my battle buddies at all costs. My battle buddies rock with me, and I'ma rock with them to the end. We ride or die. Bad boys for life. But I just wanted to come on here with that and talk to y'all for a minute. If you enjoyed this type of content, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And like I said, join the community, y'all. Join the community. And if you're not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. And I will catch y'all on the next video. Bye.